The next we are going to learn about this kanji. This kanji had the reading of ongyumi, which say jo, jo. The reading of kunyumi have two sounds. Shilaberu, shilaberu. Toto no u, toto no u. Or you can say faster. Toto no, toto no. This kanji had the meaning of tone, tone, matter, prepare, or investigate. The meaning of the main meaning this kanji, you just remember that it had the meaning of prepare or investigate. Now let's see some sample. Joshi, joshi, joshi is mean tone, tone or tone, key, pitch, time, rim. You have many meaning, but you have to remember joshi is mean key, pitch, time. The next, junjo, junjo, junjo is mean favorable, doing well, okay, all right. Junjo is mean no problem, everything going well, something like this. Josetsu, josetsu, josetsu is mean regulation, adjustment, control. Regulation, adjustment, control. The next, shilaberu, shilaberu. Shilaberu is mean to examine, to look up, to investigate, or to check out. It has a meaning like this. But you just remember that investigate or check out. Shilabe, shilabe is mean investigation, inspection, examination. That means you have to check something and do something that what is in that thing, something like this. They say shilabe. Shilabe is mean the verb, but you change the verb shilabe to must form, shilabe must, but you cut out the must out, so let only shilabe just mean the noun. So the noun we can say investigation. To be the verb we can say to investigate, right? But when change to be the noun we can say investigation or to inspection. The next, totono, totono, totono. You say faster, you can say totono, totono. But you say slowly, you can say totono u, totono u. This means to be ready, to be prepared, to be arranged, to be in order. But you just remember that this means ready or prepared.